Hey guys, today we'll be doing another question. So the question is puzzle time, 7 up. Put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the circles so that each straight line of these three numbers adds up to the same total. So this means that this line has to be the same as this line, and also it has to be the same as this line. So one way of doing this question is you put the one number out and you use the other numbers to see if you can make the same, make those pairs, you pair those numbers, and if you can make those pairs all equal the same number, then you got the answer. So if you put 4 out, for example, and you think, okay, I need to put 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7 in pairs so that when you add each pair up, they equal every other pair. And if you find out that 8 is what they add up to, you can do 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 1 and 7. So that way, you know that 4 is in the middle. So the number that you crossed out is in the middle because that's what each of them pass through or get added up to. And then you put 1 here and 7 here. So if you add them up, it equals 12. So you know that each line adds up to 12. And then you put 2 and 6 over here. And that also adds up to 12. And then you put 3 and 5 over here. And that also adds up to 12. So this strategy works because this number, 1, 7, and 4, 5, 3, and 4. So 4 is the common number within those three equations. So if you want to make each of those three equations equal, then you can cross out the common number, and then you can make the other numbers equal. So that way it can work. But if you don't really want to guess and check, for example, I know the answer, the thing is 8, but if you don't want to guess and check because you might go 9, 10, 11, 12. If you don't want to do that, you can do another strategy which most of the time works. So you can put the biggest number in the middle, put 6 on the side here, and put this, and that's the second biggest number, okay? And then put the smallest number on another side. So that adds up to 14. And now that you've got 14, then you do 14 minus 7 equals 7. So you need to get the rest of the numbers to add up to 7. So you cross the numbers that you've already used to avoid repeating. And you can see that 3 and 4 definitely add up to 7. So you can put 3 and 4 on either side. And then you can put 2 and 5, which also add up to 7 on the other sides. So now that you've got it, you can double check. And 6 plus 7 plus 1 equals 14. 4 plus 1 plus 3 equals 14. 2 plus 5 plus 7 equals 14. So now that you've got the correct answer, you know you're correct, right? So you got the answer, and you got the question correct. But even though, the first strategy, you can get lots of different answers by crossing out different numbers. So if you try the first strategy again, you can cross out 1. And if you add them up to 9, you can see that 5 and 4 add up to 9. So that's 1, 4, and 5. So that adds up to 10, right? So then you know it's 10. And then look, let's see what other numbers can add up to 9. 3 and 6, that's 9. 2 and 7, that's 9. So you put 2, 7, 3, 6. And all those three diagonals, they all add up to 10. So for this question, there are 3 different answers that are all correct. So it's very broad and you can use any strategy that you want. So I hope you've learned something, and I'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.